Hi guys, this is the Princess Prado channel. Let's fix the dual air conditioner rear cooler piping O-ring leak of the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 120 series. The failed O-ring may cause the refrigerant and compressor oil to leak. To ensure that the leak was caused by the O-ring and not a damaged pipe nearby, the right quarter inside trim board was removed to access the rear cooler unit. To see how to remove it, watch the video in the description. Since the air conditioner still had some refrigerant pressure, it was possible to turn it on and confirm the refrigerant leak using soapy water. No leaks were found on the pipe itself. However, the leak was found at the O-ring of the pipe. Afterwards, at the specialized workshop, the remaining refrigerant was discharged from the refrigerant system and collected. It might be relatively easy to remove the nut. Unfortunately, the O-ring connection is very corroded. To free the stuck connection, a makeshift tool was made using a welding machine and pieces of steel available at home. Here, the makeshift tool is already installed. The help of another person will be needed. Periodically, it was necessary to heat the connection with a blowtorch and cool it with cold water. The cooler piping bolt has a flat head and a welded clamp. The welded clamp has complicated the extraction of the bolt with the makeshift tool. The bolt was replaced with a stainless bolt. The replacement O-ring for the cooler refrigerant liquid piping has part number 999-14-11-9 and has an inner diameter of 6.7 mm and an outer diameter of 10.3 mm. The replacement O-ring for the larger pipe has part number 900-99-14-12-1 and has an inner diameter of 13.4 mm and an outer diameter of 18.2 mm. Sufficiently apply compressor oil to the new O-ring. The necessary oil can be found dripping from the open connection. To protect the pipe and connection from corrosion, aluminum grease was applied. Afterwards, at the specialized workshop, the refrigerant was charged. Thanks for watching. Bye.